Hey guys, so I'm vlogging for you guys today, but it is later in the day. That's my lunch. I just decided to vlog. I still have a lot of the day left, so all you missed was I dropped Kinsley off at preschool this morning. I ran a couple errands, I came home, I filmed, and now I'm just gonna have some lunch and then clean up the house a little bit because I'm gonna have to go get Kinsley in just a few minutes. So I didn't want to get started editing on something and then have to pick up and leave. I hate when I have to do that. So that's what I'm doing. That's what you missed. And I'm gonna vlog for the rest of the day. And now I'm gonna go eat my lunch because I'm starving. I wanted to show you guys these books that came in the mail. A company sent these to me, wondrousinc.com. They have these really awesome books that you guys can customize to your child. And these are the two that I picked for Kinsley, and they are so awesome. And the weird thing, it's not really weird, it's a good thing, but the paper is really thick and nice. So I like that a lot because my kids tear up their books really easily. And it says in here, "Dear Kinsley, this is your very own Wondrous Inc. storybook, an extraordinary adventure that's all about you." And so on and so forth. And then it says, "Love, Mommy, Daddy, and Madeline." And I was able to customize it. And this one is super neat. I don't even know how they do this, but the little story is basically spelling out her name, and each letter kind of has a little story to it. So, and then it all comes together at the end. Let's see if I can find the last page for you. And then you will see, yeah. So at the end, it has her name, and then it has all the letters of her name. And it says kind, enthusiastic, nice, smart, lively, energetic, and youthful. And I thought that was so cute. I read this to her the other night and she absolutely loved it. And then the other one is like an adventure book, and she's the main character. And then it's got me, Mommy, and then Daddy and sister. So it's really cool. I don't know, these books are awesome. I think you guys should definitely check them out. It's wondrousinc.com, and then they gave me this 15% off code, if it'll focus. So this is a 15% off code you guys can use to get 15% off. But I will also link that code for you guys in the description box. That way you can just copy and paste it. But these are super cute. If you guys like to read with your kids, you should definitely check out this website. And like I said, they have other stories. These aren't the only options. They have other options. And another thing, I was able to pick out like the color of their hair, the length of their hair, and kind of customize them to make them look as much like us as possible.
Every day goes by so fast, and every moment counts, baby. I don't wanna miss a thing. We can sleep under the stars, we can sleep under the stars, or hang out in hotel bars, driving somewhere in your car. We can sleep under the stars, we can sleep under the stars, under the stars. Take my hand, and we don't need to do the things we don't want to do.
All right, hopefully that focuses on me and not the steering wheel. It is so cold outside. I stepped outside and I ran back in to get my heavy winter coat because it's so cold. And it says it's 42 on my my temperature thing, my thermometer, but is that what it's called? Thermometer? For a car? Whatever. My temperature gauge. It says it's 42. It feels like it's 20. Ugh. So I brought that, and what was the other thing? I feel like I was gonna tell you something else, but I can't remember what it was now. But I'm gonna go get Kinsley. Kinsley's home, and she's gonna show you guys her pink feet that she got at school. Look at that pink foot you have there. What did you do?
I painted it.
You painted it?
Yeah.
Did you get to paint it, or did Miss Robin paint it?
With Joanna get me to paint it.
Oh, Miss Joanna helped you to paint it? That's so silly. Did you get to pick your color?
Yeah, pink.
Pink? I know. I love it. I'm gonna go get it out of your backpack right now. Okay? So this is her foot. It looks huge on here. I wonder why. I don't know. Maybe your foot really is that big. That is so cute. I love it, Kinsley.
It's not my right here. I did it. It's so beautiful.
It is so beautiful. I just love it, Kinsley. Thank you so much. Did you make it for me? Was it for me? Thank you. Buddy, my little buddy. He's so happy I'm home. Tucker, are you happy Mommy's home? Look at them ears. You look like you're gonna fly away at any moment. I get asked all the time what breed he is, and he is a Morkie Poo. So he's Maltese, Yorkie, and Poodle. That's what he is. And he is 4.5 years old. But he's my little buddy. So we're just gonna sit here and wait for Sissy to get off the school bus. Aren't you tired? I'm sorry I had to wake you up. Uh-oh, we're sitting on this. Here, let go. Let me get it out from under you. I'm sorry. I'm your sister. Hey guys, we are gonna go get some dinner because I'm practically out of groceries. I'm just waiting on Madeline. I don't know where she is. Oh, I tell that kid to get shoes on, and 10 minutes later she doesn't have shoes on. She doesn't have shoes on. She just came to the door like, what are you doing? I literally told her 6 minutes ago to get shoes on. Oh, kids, I swear. So here she comes. Come on. Yeah, I don't know where we're gonna go yet. I'm gonna ask Madeline where she wants to go. Where do you want to go eat?
Rodio's.
I figured. Is there a second choice?
Sonic.
Okay, close the door.
Or Subway.
Yeah, I don't know. We're gonna have to decide. We got And you can share those with Sissy if you want.
I don't like those.
You do like those. They're so yummy.
I like those.
Okay, that's perfect. It's not too hot, okay? And then here's your biscuit.
Is it not too hot?
Nope, it's perfect too. And then I want you to at least try one green bean. At least try it, okay?
No.
So as you can see, we got Bojangles. Maddie's home from school. I don't think you've been on the vlog yet today. So, you what? Green beans. You ate it? Do you like it? Do you want another one? Awesome. You can have as many as you want. There you go. And of course, Tucker is begging for food. You want some too? Huh? You want some?
Tucker, ear off you.
Alright, so that just tells you mom brain, because as soon as I turn the camera off, Maddie's like, I've been in the vlog. Don't you remember? I was in the car. Like, yes, I remember now. Yeah, mom brain. No. You sitting with mommy and eating? What does your shirt say?
Kind.
Yes, it says be kind.
No, it says kind.
Do you know what that means?
No.
It means to be nice to people and love people. Are you nice to people? You're not? I think you are. I think you're a great friend. You share and you give hugs. You're cranky. You don't like being on the camera? You want me to turn it off?
Take my hand, and we don't need to do the things we don't want to do. Climbing up swing feet. Oh, what are those? I can't see. What is it down there? I can't see. What in the world did I say?
So Kinsley's Fantastic Family Adventures. Kinsley sat at the table, and from the chair she noticed a letter covered in red hair. I told them you've gone out to play and sent each one a different way. So my sneaky game, you understand, means they're all lost in distant lands. Kinsley gave her a hug and felt much better. They talked about the fox and his crafty letter. They crept out of the cave while holding hands, but something happened that ruined their plans. With Mommy, we used teamwork to get out of the cave. Daddy and I helping each other made us brave. Madeline said I was thoughtful because of those I saved. Crafty Fox started crying. You're right, you know. I wasn't very kind. I'll let you go. It's silly being jealous of others having fun. I'm really sorry, Kinsley, for what I have done. I forgive you, said Kinsley. Don't feel blue. If you're kind, then I'll be friends with you.
That's
This is Kinsley's Fantastic Family Adventure.
What's that? He went downstairs.
That is Kinsley.
Yeah, and he came downstairs. That looks more like me.
Here. There's Madeline and Daddy.
And then mommy's right here.
Oh, Mommy's over here. There's Mommy.
This does not look like. I don't like the shape of my face. Yeah, she looks like Kinsley.
She looks like Kinsley.
Yeah. Oh, now I want to read a story.
Okay, you want to read another story?
No, I want to read the story.
Okay, you read that to us.
No pig, I won't let you go.
Is he gonna eat the pig?
No.
You love Tucker.
Yeah.
Do you love me?
Yeah, I want to play with Tucker. Don't say anything to me and Tucker.
Okay, I won't. Poor Tucky. He's trapped. Are you trapped?
Yeah.
So, this is how I'm spending my Thursday night folding laundry, and I am watching TV, a little bit of TV, but my TV is being really weird. It's annoying me. I'll show you guys. The screen is like, I haven't turned this TV on in forever, but it's not all the way, and I went in the settings and put it on widescreen or whatever, or standard. I've tried both. Neither one fixed it, but it's not. Tucker's running around crazy in here. It's not, I don't know. I can't even think. It's been a long day. So yeah, hopefully it fixes itself. But I like to watch the ID channel at night. I like all the murder and crime. Hey, you need to be quiet. Kinsley's having a rough time going down because she napped so late. But Madeline's out watching a little bit of TV before bed. And I'm going to try to get all of this laundry done so that I can edit this vlog. So, don't forget to check the description box for the coupon code for those books from Wondrous Ink if you are interested. They're 15% off, I think. So I'll leave that in the description for you guys, and I will see you next time. Bye.
Or hang out in hotel bars, driving somewhere in your car. We can sleep under the stars. We can sleep under the stars. Under the stars.